People are gonna think I'm weird.
I'll tell her. She's not weird.
Well, now they really think I'm weird.
They came up on the PEO. She was getting ready to write a ticket to this Mercedes up the street.
I thought she was gonna write a ticket to you.
Came up behind her and I said, and she goes, "Is this your car?" And then she saw it was me. She goes, "Oh, I'm sorry." She says, I never want to give you a ticket. Thank you. Looks like she didn't even know my car. She asked me.
Jenny Frankel and I were kind of commenting about your ability to get tickets the other day. Okay, there's a giving meter up by Schulte's, right? Or by Solstice. Anything we want to talk about here? Oh, we have
The little frame. Can you see the?
I don't know how to zoom.
Get closer. Can't you just? It didn't work?
No. Well, there's one up here. Well, it's just the empty frame.
No, there's something in it, but this one is so cute.
Okay, let's go.